Oh, well.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Madam, ma.
How are you now?
Fine, ma.
I did save.
Yes, they save, ma.
Fear catch me, oh.
No.
Now welcome,
Welcome, ma. Sorry, we see for rent for outside, so we dey look for house. So one rent apartment.
Apartment day now, room day. Now me dey run here. Now me be landlady for this place.
Okay, one collect one apartment too. I will say they okay.
I don't know be wahala now. But
okay.
Wait first, no first. So and me I go ask question. Now your mama be this, I don't understand. The reason why me they ask, I no get room for person who won't carry sugar boy and sugar mama. They can't do anyhow. Me they can't keep person for my house. As I did so, now talk me they take beg people. Anything where what happen here, me I they ask question well. Now your mama be this, I don't know.
Landlady, the main point here is that she be one poor house for rent.
I won't put house for rent.
So your own just give house for rent. So no
God,
need to ask all those.
Help me. You never even get house. You don't exchange am for me. Now you go tell me what you go do for here. What's happen? God, I beg. Hey. Wait, what you want to tell me now? Now you get the room for me. Now me get the place. Now me go tell you what I won't carry this place. What's happen? You sugar mommy. What's happen?
Landlady, don't talk to my husband like that.
God, I beg you.
Now as you want rent, not be fight, you won't come fight here.
No vex. I know they give house to anybody anyhow. How you go carry this guy small pikin put for your say na your husband?
Landlady, calm down now. My wife be that.
Your man no say with this kind age mate carry you the worker.
Landlady, wetin concern you?
You no go work. I no get that kind of room. When I no change am for, I know well oh. God I beg, wait happen, madam.
Abeg, mo dey go. Na wahala landlady be this.
You carry sugar boy come here. Let me tell you what I go do for you.
Madam, remove that thing for.
No, come on.
We no go rent house out. Remove
am. Osaro.
Abeg, me dey.
One a day oh.
Now you carry me come this house.
One a day they won't change am for me. God I beg oh. When I no ask question, na no ask what be. Now I know who I be.
Go and remove it, madam.
Where Osas and Osaro now? Where they go now? They go just there. Then go allow people come they run me down. Wait till happen. This should have been a con collect for this if they make us see.